Hello everyone, welcome to Satya Learning channel. So today in this episode I am going to tell you how to make an interesting caterpillar. It is an easy paper craft and all the items needed for this activity are easily available at every place. So let's see how to make this caterpillar. So for this activity you require 6 small pink color sheets, 6 small green color sheets, one green circle, orange and red crayons, two small stripes of green paper, two eyes, a glue bottle and a big stripe of green paper. Here the colors can vary. You can choose your wished colors in place of these two colors. So let's see how to make this activity. So firstly, take any piece of any color paper and you have to make it in this way. Apply glue to any one end and stick it in this way. Like this. In the same way, let's make these and these, all these pieces in this round manner. Now, after making all the 12 pieces ready in this way, let's make the face of the caterpillar with this circle. For this, take the eyes that we have already prepared and stick them here. Now let's draw the face, nose and mouth of the caterpillar with these crayons. Take the orange crayon and draw the nose of the caterpillar in this way. Now take the red sketch and draw the mouth. Now the face of the caterpillar is ready. Now let's stick all these parts on the body of the caterpillar. Now take a long strip and take a pink roll and stick it to the corner. Now take the green roll and stick after this. Stick all the rolls in this pattern, pink, green, pink, green. Now let's stick it. Now after sticking all the rolls in this way on the paper, let's take the face and stick these ears on the face. First fold them in this way and then stick to the back. Take another one and stick in the same way. Now, after sticking these on the face, let's stick this over here. Leave some gap after sticking all these pieces. Remember that all these pieces that you have taken at the starting must be of same size and same length. Now to stick the face, you have to do it in this way. Firstly, stick it like this. Now stick the face over here. Now your kids' favorite caterpillar is ready and they can play with it very nicely. So this is today's activity. So if you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.